I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to dispute a withdrawal on your Amex app, follow these steps to get it sorted out. Step 1. Open the Amex app. Launch the American Express app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your transaction history. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once logged in, go to the Transactions tab. This is where you can view all your recent activity, including withdrawals. Step 3. Select the withdrawal. Find the specific withdrawal you want to dispute. Tap on it to see more details about the transaction, including the date and amount. Step 4. Initiate the dispute. Before filing your refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Submit your dispute. After filling in the necessary information, review your dispute and submit it. You should receive a confirmation message once it is successfully submitted. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your dispute. It can take some time to resolve, but you will be notified of any changes. Good luck, and I hope this helps you get your issue resolved quickly.